Alrighty. How's it going, everyone? Okay, here, wait a minute. I've just gotten word that there's some hornets possibly living in our little... Oh, yep. Hornets in our hornet's nest inside our shell. Whatever you call, what do you call that thing? A shell hanger, shell wind chime, whatever. So there's hornets living in there. They got a little nest. You're gonna piss them off, hon. So I'm gonna try to get rid of them. I don't know if I'm gonna have any luck.
Yeah, the one who bites.
Those are some mean bastards right there.
They bite them.
So, but we can't have those living in there. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get those eliminated. So if I don't get stung first. So yeah, anyways, we'll be back and I'm gonna go ahead and grab some spray and we're gonna see if we can kill those little bastards. All right, see you in a bit. All right, so get me on here so we can show what we got.
Be careful.
So we have this stuff called Angel Insecticide Aerosol. So we get this at the Fiesta Mall. It's basically SM here in Alamino City. So this stuff is pretty damn powerful. It's really sickening actually if you catch a whiff of it. So you really got to be careful when you're spraying it around yourself and also spraying it around domestic pets like dogs, like cats, whatever. Jam. So here we are. We got the shell wind chime. We have the shell wind chime and we have lots of hornets inside, I believe. Did they all fly back in? After
I think that don't go near, hon.
So we might have to make a fast getaway after we do this. So here we go.
How can I run away if I'm holding?
Get that stick out of your hand. Why you got a piece of bamboo in your hand?
Because I need to. I need to.
Jam, you gotta get out of there, girl.
Jam, move away.
Okay, this is my attempt to.
You better watch out, your.
Some hornets. Got the nozzle sprayed around. Jam.
I said wear your hat and then where did you?
So right here, you think?
No, that side.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
On the side or in the front?
Oh, just spray the whole thing.
Give her hell.
Jam, move. He's running away.
And we'll rinse those shells off later.
Go and spray more. Turning.
I'm not worried about getting this spray. Now, that thing is just dripping. Honey, it's going to drip on your plants. I didn't think
it's fine. It's
sure?
fine. Yeah.
All right, here we go again. One more time.
There, this side, on that side.
What?
On that side, just now.
Ah!
They fly away.
Did they? Well, I drenched that. I drenched those shells.
But their house is here.
Is it in there?
Yeah, their house is here.
Oh God, that stuff's bad.
There?
Oh boy.
Yeah, you go in. Okay, move away now. It's fine. Good thing that they didn't. Hey, just move away there. You remember you get sick because of that spray.
I caught a couple little particles. Yeah, I felt it right away.
You can go and take the scissor already to cut their house.
So I think we did it, guys. I think that's it. We're gonna see though. Hopefully we mitigated the problem. So, oh boy, yeah, I used up probably damn near a half can of spray. So what do you think? You think it's a success? I don't know if I would jump right in there and start cutting around. Don't. Be very careful, hon. Oh, look at that.
This is their house.
That's it.
You can open this white, take out this white, and then you can see their babies.
Oh boy. Should I spray it? One more time?
No need, no need. They're all guys.
Is that all foam from the spray?
No, it's not. It's a open. It's a cover. They use this one to cover their babies inside.
Oh. Yeah. Throw it in the trash then?
Yep. I have to squeeze first.
If they're not dead.
You see, they have some babies inside.
Really?
And squeeze already.
No
this
kidding.
One.
Really? Look at that. I think I'll see it better once I... Well...
They jump and get beat on them.
Well, if we didn't kill them, we definitely killed their home. So
They will find another place to.
hopefully not inside our or anywhere near our kubo. So anyways, I got the camera shining right on your butt. Anyways, we killed a mouse last night, poisoned the hell out of him, and now we just totally ruined the Hornets' day today. So we'll keep you posted on any other any other fun stuff that comes along. All right, there you go. There you have it. Killed some hornets, hopefully, or at least killed their home and killed their babies. So, oh, too bad. All right, guys.
Go inside now. Jam.
Jam, stay away from there, girl. Gotta keep that. Don't get her out of there. Whap her on the butt.
Go inside that.
Yeah, no kidding, crazy dog. Where are you? Stop being so curious. You're gonna get hurt. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.